Hey, have you heard ChatGPT's new voice?
Hey there, how's it going? This is my new voice and I hope you like it. I'm here and ready to chat whenever you are.
See, it surprisingly sounds like a real human. The pose, the stress, or even the tone. Everything feels so natural now. But here's the thing, we all know how AI used to sound before, flat and robotic. So what's changed? How does ChatGPT's new voice sound like a real person even though it's just pure code? And what's actually happening behind the scenes such that it responds within seconds? If you are curious, I have made a detailed video about it. It explains so simple that even a non-tech guy can easily understand. So go check it out.